with your thinking and behavior towards your goals. When you're struggling, a small burst of inspiration can make a huge difference. And sometimes the inspiration you need to achieve your dreams can be found around you.
Every success is built on the support and kindness of others. Let us welcome Mark Luis C. Desandario with High Academic Excellence Award to express gratitude on behalf of the graduating class. Let us give him a round of applause.
Palakpak mo dira manigaw. Ay, manigaw gumis. Gumis.
Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 33. To our esteemed Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Miguel Pililan Jr., CESO 5, Sir. To our esteemed Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Hasmin Peisla, Ma'am. Our respected school head, Sir Eric Di Pasana, Sir. Our honored guests, supportive teachers, proud parents, and my fellow graduates of Batch 2024, and to our completers, a pleasant morning to all of you. At this moment, I am both thrilled and deeply grateful for the opportunity to express our sincerest appreciation to those who have played pivotal roles in our growth, learning, and the development of our individual identities. To start with, to the Department of Education, we express our gratitude for your unwavering support and for providing us with resources and opportunities that have enriched our educational journey immeasurably. To our esteemed Mayor Attorney Pao Evangelista, we acknowledge and appreciate your efforts in ensuring the safety and well-being of the community, particularly during challenging times such as natural disasters, which often necessitate the suspension of classes for the safety of the students. To our exemplary school head, Sir Eric Di Pasana, Sir, your exceptional leadership has served as a beacon of guidance for all of us, shaping our educational experience in profound ways. To our dedicated teachers and staff, particularly our supportive advisor, Ma'am Zaira J. Mahumud, Ma'am, and our esteemed subject teachers, Ma'am Emilord Aninipot, Ma'am Lavinia Salvador, Ma'am Maria Victoria Jacob, Ma'am, and Sir Archie Sigera. We extend our heartfelt gratitude. Your commitment to providing us with quality education has left an indelible mark on our lives. To our junior high school teachers, your unwavering dedication to nurturing students like us deserves the highest commendation. To our parents who have remained unwavering in their support and belief in us, we owe you everything. Your sacrifices and encouragement have propelled us forward on our journey toward our aspirations. To my fellow classmates,
Hilak, hilak.
I extend my heartfelt thanks for being companions on the transformative journey that we have.
Hilak na.
The memories we have shared,
Hilak na yan.
particularly during moments of adversity and triumph, are cherished reminders of our collective strength and resilience. Since the beginning of our trials, I always heard these words. Kapuya na oy! Saan man eh? Hala, deadline na biya ni Ugma. Hala, ahaman ta magpa-print. Amot na sad. But together, we have supported each other, lending a helping hand and fostering a sense of camaraderie that has enriched our academic experience. As we stand on the threshold of this momentous occasion, I am filled with immense pride in the collective achievements of our graduating class. Despite the obstacles and challenges that we have encountered along the way, we have persevered with unwavering determination, surpassing even our own expectations. Allow me to share a glimpse of my personal journey toward this milestone. From my earliest years
Thank you.
in elementary school,
bingka.
I harbored a deep-seated
Bingka nga pinika.
passion for academic excellence. Throughout my academic journey, I consistently pursued opportunities for growth and learning,
Mark saan?
driven by a fervent desire to expand my horizons and broaden my intellectual pursuits. However, my transition to senior high school caused unforeseen challenges and uncertainties. Despite facing setbacks and moments of doubt, I remain steadfast in my determination to excel. With the unwavering support of friends and mentors, I overcame obstacles and reclaimed my sense of purpose, ultimately achieving
Ang
success
sunburn ni
beyond
Mark
measure.
murag blush.
Today, as we gather to celebrate the remarkable achievements
sunburn
of
ni
our
Mark
graduating
murag
class, let us not forget the invaluable support and guidance that have propelled us forward for this momentous milestone. Together, we stand poised to embark on the next chapter of our journey, armed with knowledge, skills, and determination to shape a brighter future for ourselves and for the generations to come. In closing, I would like to leave you with a timeless quote. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who have prepared for it today. To our parents, teachers, guests, friends, completers, and my fellow graduates, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and wishes for a bright and prosperous future. Thank you.
Yay!